Okay, today we're going to do a station keeping maneuver. We do these every 6 weeks to make sure that Webb maintains its desired orbit. Basically, we're going to be doing 2 hours of prep time for 47 seconds of burn.
I guess supervising, checking the commands in here is actually setting the commands.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and each person that's sitting in here.
Them over here is the control room.
Right.
They're the ones that are actually sending the commands,
Right.
getting the, they're the ones connected to the ground station, getting the data.
We saw a brief trip of A14 and A17.
That's
Concurrent with follow. Thank you.
our criteria are set, and all the system telemetry is in exactly the right state, so we can hit the button.
Okay.
So when the time comes, we have 3 different buttons we're going to push today, basically. We have a pre-burn button and a burn button, and then the post-burn button kind of happens on its own.
That spacecraft has been commanded to inertial mode. We see the expected red alarm. ACS is back in normal mode. We're in the next 200-second wait.
Most of the time, the observatory is being controlled by the onboard scripts subsystem.
Okay.
What happens during a station keeping is we call it a real-time engineering visit, but we essentially do a handoff and take control and so it goes from the onboard controlling where we're looking and doing science. It hits that point in the schedule and it says, okay, I know that we had agreed that you were going to go ahead and do the station keeping, and it waits for us and we do this handoff dance.
Gotcha.
So we take the baton, we take control. That's where all of this ground commanding happens.
Right.
Okay.
And then when we're done, they'll do a final checklist, make sure that the observatory is in the configuration it needs to be before it starts science again. And then they actually hand it
And
back.
then we'll hand back, and the onboard system will start the science program again.